Hi everyone, welcome to the very first episode of SG Good Life. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time, but COVID-19 was a huge downer for me, and so I just didn't have any energy to do anything. I let and lost lots of inspiration. But thanks to my friends, some of you who may be watching, you really encouraged me. There's just so many people that came in from various groups, just saying, SGL, you should go and do the cooking videos, because I've been posting it on Telegram, on various social media, and they say, just go and try it out. And so, one person told me, 2% told me, 3% told me, and I decided, today's the day. I just want to thank all of you, and I just want to thank Panda for that 50% inspiration, and for the rest of you, basically. Alright, so today, I'm going to explain to you what this series is going to be about. So many of the cooking videos that we all watch, they contain lots of ingredients, they contain lots of fantastic recipes. But the thing with all these pro videos is that people find it very difficult to replicate. It isn't cooking that is difficult to do per se. It's the finding of the ingredients, the preparation of the ingredients, and also the washing up after. So in this SGL cooking journey, I want to showcase food that is easy to do, right? If you are a purist, then unfortunately this might not be the right channel for you. But I tend to do everything to make it easy for people to just cook, to enjoy cooking. Ratatouille is one of my favorite movies, and in Ratatouille it says, anybody can cook. So let's begin. Today what we have is this thing called wonton noodles, right? So you see, I didn't buy a new packet, it's just already open. I'm going to do wonton noodles with roasted, or rather grilled chicken wings. I'm going to do another video on how to do marinate chicken wings in another video to come. And then just some vegetables. So I'm going to make this completely raw. You're going to see what I do. Some of it's not going to be perfect because this is not my intention. My intention is just for easy cooking, right? Fun cooking, easy cooking, how you can make do with very little ingredients, how you can make do with utensils that are missing, right? So you make do with what you have. You may not have this oil, you may not have this sauce. That's fine. We improvise along the way. Alright, so let's start. Okay everyone, let's start. So what I'm going to do today is wonton noodles with the grilled chicken wings and including the vegetables. So I'm going to start up my air fryer first. The most important thing is you want to think of the whole process, which is going to take the longest. So the air fryer is going to take the longest. It's going to be roughly about 12 to 15 minutes. I have my air fryer here with me, and what I want to do is I want to be able to have minimal effort, right? Minimal effort, minimal washing. So I'm going to just tear out a bit of the aluminium foil. Right, so you can see this, tear out aluminium foil and just kind of wrap it in. I'll just show you in a moment. So I just wrapped it in like that so that I have minimal washing. If not, the oil is going to splatter everywhere and then it's going to be very difficult to wash. So you want minimal washing. That's the whole idea. So I've done this like that. Right, I have my bag of ready marinated wings. I will do another series or rather video on this where I'll teach you how to make this. It's quite easy. And then I have my chopsticks. Right, so I never at one point want to use my hand because I don't want to contaminate the rest of the marinated wings. Today I'm just going to do 5. Right, I'm going to lay it out one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, so I'm just going to zip it up. I'm going to be putting this in my fridge. Alright, so you can see over here, I just laid it out, and this is quite cold. That's fine, but depending on how cold or how hot it is, you might need to adjust the temperature accordingly. So I'm going to put it in at the max, right? 200 degrees, as you can see down here. I'm going to bring the camera closer. right? This is 200 over here, and I'm just going to bring it down to roughly 12.5 minutes, right? Why 12.5? Later I'll explain. So I'm just going to put it 12.5. My switch is not on, so I need to turn on my switch. Okay, and it has started. So now I have roughly about 12 minutes. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to boil the water. So just fill it up. Right, as you can see, my air fryer is cooking. It's just about roughly 10 minutes left. I'm just going to boil a bit of water, and I'm going to start it up. Yeah, I'm going to put it on high induction. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the water to be boiled. But meanwhile, I have these ingredients with me. Okay, so I have my prepared lard, which I will show you how to make in a future video. I have my tomato sauce. I have my authentic Thai fish sauce, and my Kikkoman soy sauce that I put in another small bottle. So now what we're gonna do while we wait for the water to boil, right, and then we're gonna put this in and the vegetables in, is I'm going to not waste time and make the sauce for the wonton noodles. Okay, so I'm just gonna get a bowl from over here. I'm just gonna put it down. Okay, put it